Hello everyone, we would like to present the report describing the project of software toolkit for extracting linguistic information from dictionary text. The authors share the experience gained while creating such kind of research tool and show its advantages for professional linguists. The software project is being carried out for working with Spanish dictionary. Fundamental explanatory dictionaries of national languages are of primary interest for linguistic experts. The dictionaries of this kind are characterized by giving complete, well-structured and multi-aspect description of language units, having linguistic theories as a basis for creation, and by representing all the linguistic information necessary not only for understanding the meanings of language units in various contexts, but also for their correct use. Nowadays, linguistic corpora are recognized as most effective tool to perform linguistic researches in digital environment. However, the dictionaries that actively use corpus technologies for their creation and update remain underestimated in regards to their research potential. So, the goal of our paper is to highlight important aspects of built-in research tools for extracting linguistic information from the text of the Spanish dictionary. The aspects covered by the report are as follows. First, the method which our research is based on. Second, lexicographic data model which forms the basis of the lexicographic database, and currently available interfaces to extract linguistic information from the dictionary. For the purpose of our research, the Spanish language dictionary of Spanish Royal Academy was selected. We set the task to design and implement linguistic tools for analyzing digital dictionary text. Our interest in Spanish dictionary is arisen by the following reasons. First, international status of the Spanish language. Second, credibility and academic status of the dictionary. Third, other school of lexicography which differs from other schools, such as Ukrainian and English. Another and also important reason of choosing Spanish dictionary is the availability of its digital versions that supports HTML5 format. The latter guarantees the authenticity of the dictionary text and allows us to focus our attention on the structure of dictionary entry. As a theoretical basis, we use the theory of lexicographic systems developed and by academician. We consider a lexicographic system as a special information, semiotic and semantic system in which a lexicographic effect or a certain combination of lexicographic effects is induced. We consider the dictionary as a lexicographic system of special type with a set of language units and a set of their descriptions. This frame shows in a simplified form a model of lexicographic system to be applied for dictionary. On the basis of the conceptual model, the parsing technology for Spanish language dictionary has been developed. The first stage consisted in extracting the array of the dictionary text from online version. On the second stage, a marking system to identify dictionary entry elements was developed and applied. Developing such system suggested prior entry text analysis and entry structure definition. On the third stage, the marked text has been converted into the database to be managed using the interface of the virtual lexicographic laboratory of the Spanish language. This slide shows marking system for the dictionary, which has been used for entry text conversion into the database. Here we give with the example of marking of dictionary text. As it's shown in the figure, the interface of the developed laboratory consists of four elements. First, top menu bar containing tools for working with the headword list and the text of the dictionary itself. Second, headword panel designed to search words and navigate in the head word list. Third, text box to display dictionary entries. And fourth, text box to view HTML text of dictionary entries. The top menu bar includes two tools, Selection and Statistics. The first one contains a group of parameters to make a sample of dictionary entries containing headword linguistic features, such as type, structure of the headword, homonymy, number of lexical meanings, etc. The second one generates statistics for a specific sample of the entries or the entire dictionary. With Selection tool, it's possible to form an inventory of the Spanish vocabulary reflected in the Spanish dictionary, such as cognate words, Spanish vocabulary elements, words having a specific suffix or prefix, language units belonging to a certain linguistic level, and units of other types such as abbreviations and acronyms. This frame shows the entries of homonymic morphemes. On the bottom of the headword list, the number of words is indicated. This frame shows a sample of the entries with homonymic words of foreign origin. On the bottom of the headword list, the number of words is indicated. This is the example of using Statistic tool. This frame shows the statistics for the entries with the words of foreign origin. With the interface, we can also select the entries or the headwords which have specific semantic structure. Here we showed the selection of the headwords denoting the action and the result. With current interface, it is possible to research inventory of the headwords satisfying the specific parameters, to extract linguistic characteristics of headwords from the text, and to conduct statistical studies that show the frequency of the considered linguistic phenomena. In final version of the virtual laboratory, the structural profile of dictionary entry will be determined by all the structural elements of the conceptual model. The user will be able to select the entries by indicating obligatory presence or absence of structural element. Additionally, the user will have the possibility of specifying specific content of the structural elements. Additionally, the user will have the possibility of specifying specific content of a separate element. Thank you for your attention.